Happy holidays, everyone. I am so excited to officially give you my 2024 holiday home tour. My husband and I absolutely love neutrals and blacks, and so being able to bring those colors into the warmth of our home with this season turned out absolutely amazing. And so, without any further ado, let's get started for our 2024 holiday home tour. On our front porch, I wanted to go with the Nutcracker theme. I got this from Walmart and had it custom painted. I will be sure to alert you guys next year when it goes on sale. And the gold metal orbs came from eFavorMart, and I'll be sure to tag those down below. And the wreaths, I absolutely love. The ribbon came from David Christopher, and I love the way that it turned out. We just kept it really monochromatic. And leading into our living room space, I did a separate video sharing with you guys how I decorated the Christmas trees, and I left our normal pillows on our sofa, and I just decorated our slim or pencil Christmas trees to match the existing colors that were already in our living room. I absolutely love the velvet balls, the velvet ribbon. Of course, I did a longer video showcasing the trees, and I will link that video for you guys who missed it so that you can go back to check it out. The reindeer, you can find those at Aldi's, you can find them on Amazon, and you can also find them at Pottery Barn. And I just moved the larger bowls on the coffee table, and they are normally on the accent chest underneath the TV. Now, I definitely wanted to add a Christmas village to our holiday decor this year, and so I decided to use the 5-tier tray that I got from eFavorMart to display our Christmas village, and I absolutely love it. And I also had this ladder in storage. Apparently, I had got it on deal at Hobby Lobby, and I thought it was the perfect place to store our stockings. I created a video on places to hang your stockings if you did not have a fireplace, and so I will link that video as well for you all to check out. And I just absolutely love the way that this space looks. Now, heading into our guest bathroom, I didn't do too much in there. I just added in a reindeer and a little bit of greenery, and I just decided to put paper towels in there, you guys, because I don't want people washing their hands on the same towel over and over again. So in our bedroom, I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to add a Christmas tree in this space because I think that it makes the room feel so cozy. And if you've never had a Christmas tree in your bedroom, I 10 out of 10 recommend it. There is nothing more magical and festive to me than laying in the bed, scrolling social media or listening to Christmas music or cuddling, while looking at the lights on the Christmas tree. Now, this Christmas tree is really special to me because it is initially a Charlie Brown Christmas tree, but I ended up taking the limbs from my mom's old Christmas tree, and the old school limbs that kind of hook in. If you remember them, let me know in the comments. But I took the limbs from my mom's old Christmas tree and I put them inside of this tree to make it look a little bit more full. And then I used a lot of mirrored houses in this tree to match the mirrored dresser next to it. And this room is really Mod Podgy, just because this is not our, permanent home. And so I just kind of placed a lot of the chests and things like that I didn't want to get rid of, that I wanted to save for our next home. I placed it in this bedroom. So you'll see it's a little bit more Mod Podgy than I would like, but I just wanted to kind of share with you guys how the space looks and how I added in just touches of Christmas by changing out the greenery. I put our Christmas pictures that we took last year in the picture frame, and I just made a little touches around the home to really make it feel like Christmas and really customize, our space. And so I loved our Christmas pictures from last year, and I love this frame. I found this frame at Ross, and it was like $4.99. So, and he also has a photo on his side of the bed as well, but it's like 2 black Christmas trees with a white frame. And if you guys have been following me, almost all of my bedroom furniture, other than the accent chest on either side of the bed, came from Amazon, and I'm in love with it. I love it, and I just think it looks so good. I also got my comforter. It's like a pre-washed linen, and I love it. It is so soft and it's so cozy. Now moving into our bathroom, I just wanted to keep one main area or focal point, and that was like our tray. And what I did is, when I went to Bath and Body Works, I had a huge haul on the day that they had all of their scents for $4.95. Y'all, I hit a lick on a stick, and so I just made all of our scents black and gold. And then I picked up the little side table with a bow on it from TJ Maxx. In our guest bedroom, I moved our settee in here for now so that our Christmas tree could go in our major bedroom. And I just added a gingerbread pillow and kept it really simple in there. And of course, I have a gorgeous tablescape that I'll be sharing with you guys as well. And I'll do a separate video on that. But just to give you guys a little hint of how it looks. And I just cannot wait to share the full tablescape with you guys. So be on the lookout for that video. It will come out after this particular video, so I think you guys will really love it. For all of you guys who love my tablescapes, and I also did a bar this year. I did the wreaths on the cabinets. Well, my husband actually put those on the cabinets, and also we just did a huge buffet on the bar area, and I love the way that it turned out. This year I went with black, and last year I think I used more whites, but I wanted to really lean into the moody black, this year to match the velvet chairs. So that is the bar area. And I even added a little bit of holiday cheer to my office. I could not resist the bow theme, and so I added bows all around the garland in my 7-foot mirror, and I added some small bows throughout the office area, and I love the way that it turned out. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know your favorite space down in the comments below, and let me know what color you decorated your home in this holiday season. I'll see you guys at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Happy holidays. Are you passionate about event design and decor? Or do you find yourself dreaming of turning your passion into a profitable business? Well, if so, look no further than Luxe Academy. Our online, self-paced, and in-person courses will provide you with all the tools, resources, and guidance that you need to establish a successful business in the wedding and event planning industry. From contracts and pricing to financing and branding, we have got you covered. With our Luxe lectures, our labs, and our legacies, you'll gain the knowledge and the insight you will need to create beautiful backdrops, stunning centerpieces, and you will also learn how to negotiate and host client consultations. Join us at Luxe Academy and turn your passion into profit by enrolling today. Payment plans are available. We also have free classes that are offered, so be sure to check us out at luxeacademy.online.